This product could installation at homes, in hotel, office, and so on. Yes. For the colors, we had hundreds of painting for your choice, hundreds of painting and pattern for your choice. It could be customization too. For the installation, we had 4 types of regarding of this product. 4 types. One type is dry back dry back of LVT flooring like this, and the next one, the second one is adhesive. You will see. Hello, welcome to our Germany. The next one is self-adhesive rose flooring. Yes, you will see this with glue. Yes, it's very thick. So we have the first one is Click LVT Flooring, and finally one is Loose Lay Flooring. Loose Lay Flooring. Yes, flooring. The first layer is UV coating. It means within phosphorus. Yes, and the second layer is transparent and wear resisting layer. Yes, and the next layer, the third layer is print pre-coat. The next layer is backing material layer, and the final layer is healthy layer for stability. Yes. Okay.